Hello students, in this module of chapter permutation and combination, I am going to discuss about factorial notation and permutation. So first of all, we will see what is factorial notation. If n is a positive integer, then we can find n factorial by multiplying all the positive integers which are less than or equal to that number. Suppose if we need to find 5 factorial, so we have to find all the positive integers which are less than or equal to 5. So that numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you multiply all these numbers, you will get the answer for 5 factorial. Now we can write this factorial into two ways. One, you can multiply all these numbers in descending whole numbers from n until 1. Means suppose if you need to find 7 factorial, so you can multiply from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And second way is there, you can multiply all the numbers in ascending whole numbers, means from 1 to that number. Suppose we are finding 8 factorial, so from 1 into 2 into 3 till 8. You will get the same answer. There is two way of writing this factorial. So students, it's time to move on to the next topic of this module, that is permutation. A permutation is an arrangement in a definite order of a number of objects taken some or all at a time. Here if I am insisting on definite order, means order matters in permutation. For example, if we have to form two-digit number out of given three-digit number, suppose 1, 2 and 3. So by flow chart if you want to make, then also you can consider that order really matters, because if we select 1 and 2, these two-digit number, and we want to make two-digit number from this. So 1, 2, that is 12 also I can write, and 21 also I can write. So I am selecting two-digit only, but from that two-digit I can make two different numbers, that is 1, 2, 12 and 2, 1, that is 21. So order matters here. So here we'll discuss the permutation when objects are distinct. So number of permutation of n different objects taken r at a time and the objects do not repeat is given by n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So here let's take some of the examples, such as making two-digit number out of given four numbers such as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here if you will observe, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the objects and all are the distinct numbers. 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are distinct numbers, and from these four numbers we have to make two-digit number. So two numbers we are taking, that means R is our 2. So by flow chart if we proceed, you have to do all these combinations, but by permutation formula if you will do, so you can select, you can consider n as 4 and r as 2, and you can find 4p2 formula, 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 factorial. Here some more examples are given where from the given 9 digit you have to form 3 digit number. So here you can take n as 9 and all are distinct different numbers, and r you can take as 3. So 9p3 you can find. So to unlock a log using different pattern of number given, these type of examples also you can solve using permutation formula. So moving to the next type, when objects are not distinct. So number of permutation of n objects where R1 objects are of one kind, R2 objects are of another kind. Suppose till Rk objects we are having Rk of kth kind is given by n factorial divide by R1 factorial into R2 factorial into R3 till Rk factorial. This formula when we can use? When objects are not distinct. Now some of the examples for the type where the objects are not distinct are: find the number of the arrangements of the letters such as independence, Mississippi, coconut. In each of the word, if you observe, letters are repeating itself. Suppose you can take example of independence. So here independence is a 12 letter word, and D is one kind you can take because it is coming two times. It is repeating itself. E is coming four times, so E is one kind we can take. N three times, so N is one kind. C is also there, I is also there. So total N we can take 12 factorial. N factorial will be 12 factorial. Divide by each kind, count the number and that factorial. Mississippi also there. If you observe, letters are repeating. S is repeating, I is repeating. Coconut also, C and O are repeating letters. In this, one daughter words if will come, that means for daughter you have to go for the previous formula because in daughters letters are not repeating itself. Now second example is for how many ways four red balls, three green balls and five yellow balls can be arranged. Here also if you observe, total balls are 4 3 5, that is 12 balls. So and we can select as 12. But red ball is one kind, green ball is one kind and yellow ball is one kind. So for this particular example, second example, our formula will look like 12 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 5 factorial. This is all about factorial notation and permutation of distinct and non-distinct objects. I hope you all understood. And in next module of this chapter, we'll see about combination and permutation versus combination.